Hey, film friends. So a few of you have Bolexes that are hand cranked. What I wanted to do is do a quick tutorial on how to actually hand crank it like they did back in the 1920s. So you get that strobed look. It's really simple. First of all, you need a little crank for one thing. So you want to put that in this little slot here, like so. All right. And then you want to disengage your motor. So here's the off. And then turn this to run, lock run. So now you can go and do your hand crank. Hand cranking, like so. That's it. And then you can go backwards, reverse, and do double exposures. So when you go in reverse, what I would suggest doing is capping off your lens and then rewinding it and then cranking it again. As far as exposures go, it's pretty much a crapshoot, but what I would do is just maybe take an exposure of it, and then, as you crank, you're kind of doing it at maybe 18 frames a second, maybe slower, so you're going to get a little bit more exposure that way. But anyway, that's how you do it. So if it's not on lock run, it won't move. So see how that's locked? So then you have it on lock run, and you can just run it. So it's that easy. Thanks for watching.